The 5 benefits of thinking positively in your daily life. Every day we encounter various things that will challenge our belief in ourselves. Events that will somehow get us to think negatively about our lives, our relationships, and about everything in general. In this presentation, you're going to learn about the benefits of overcoming negative thinking and thinking positively instead. Number 1. Less stress in your life. Who wants stress? No one. When you're a pessimist, you only see the negative side of things, which further heightens or increases your stress levels. But when you think positively, you'll be able to see through the stress, and you can cope better when life throws a curveball at you. Number 2. Good for your health. When you think positively, you have less stress. This is obviously good for your health, as you're not experiencing headaches, migraines, nausea, chest pains, or any other symptoms of stress. You're not pulling your hair out from frustration. Instead, you're able to smile through all the pains associated with disappointments and failures. Number 3. Makes you more resilient. The more you fail, the more lessons you learn, and you will learn from your mistakes because you're a positive thinker. If you think negatively, you'll just think of quitting, which, come to think of it, won't really make you resilient. You'll be cowering with your tail between your legs and go hide in your comfort zone. With positive thinking, you'll be able to overcome all forms of adversity that comes your way, thus making you resilient. Number 4. Better chances of success. Negative people rarely end up successful. That's because they don't stand their ground when faced with tough challenges. However, positive thinkers are able and willing to stand tall in the face of adversity. This eventually leads to success, not just in life, but in business too. As time goes by, you'll notice just how easy success comes to you, thanks to your positive thinking. Number 5. You'll see motivation everywhere. When you think positively, you always see the good and the bad side of things. You don't get hung up on the bad side, though. You do your best to go beyond the bad and instead focus on the good. In fact, positive people often use negative things to spur them on and motivate them to achieve their goals.